In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your playlist privacy settings on YouTube Music. So if you want to load up your YouTube Music app and you want to go to your playlists, so let's go to library. And here you can see my playlists. Now it might look like this to you. It just depends on what sort of view that you have got. So it's the same process. I'll just show you both ways. So if you want to change your playlist from public to private or private to public, long press on the playlist, then tap on edit playlist, and then here where it says privacy, you can change to 3 different options. So you can change public, so anyone can search for; unlisted, anyone with the link can view your playlist; and then private just means only I can basically view the playlist. So when you're finished, what you want to do is hit done, and that will automatically change your playlist privacy settings. So again, if I just do it with this one, I just need to long press on the playlist and edit playlist, and then select which privacy option I want, and then hit the done button. And that's basically it.